There is a switch on the microphone. This allows you to control it so you can have it on off, low, or high. The lens on the camera is the macro lens, but it also comes with this wide angle lens. And to use it, you can just twist it onto the camera just like this. And like you saw, it also comes with a lens cap. This is the lens hood, and it does come with 2 batteries, which is nice. So all you have to do is charge the base. So to use the camera, you will want to insert one of the batteries on the bottom here, just like this. And then last but not least, it does come with a Type-C cable as well as a card reader that you can attach the camera and your phone to transfer any photos or pictures. On the top of the camera is the power button and the capture button, as well as a speaker and the mode dial. Some of the different modes include video and photo, loop, slow motion, and normal mode. On the bottom of the camera is where the 64GB memory card is, as well as a place where you can twist the camera onto a tripod if you wanted to, and then the place where the batteries are. And on the right side is the USB-C and the HDMI port. On the back of the camera are many different buttons that have different functions to them. These buttons can be used to zoom in and zoom out, turn on the flash, pick from different pre-installed filters, as well as all the other settings that you would need in a camera. Now I'm going to show you some examples of the quality. I went outside and took a few photos of these beautiful flowers, and then here are the results. I think these turned out pretty decent. I love that the colors are very vibrant, and then here's an example of the video quality. Okay, I am recording myself on the camera now, and I just wanted to show you what the audio and quality is like. I also love that I can see myself on this screen here, so I love that you can rotate that back, especially when you are vlogging and recording. One last thing that sets this apart from other digital cameras is the built-in Wi-Fi that it has. With the app, you can connect your phone to the camera's Wi-Fi, and from there, you can control different settings on the camera as well as downloading any content that you've taken. So you can almost immediately download all your photos and videos that you've taken right to your phone. Overall, you guys, this would be a great starter digital camera if you are looking into getting into social media, vlogging, or influencing. And I do feel like the more you use it, the better you would get at the pictures and the videos. I am definitely a newbie, so there are many more things that I still need to learn. But overall, everything feels very high quality and very well made. And I would definitely recommend you check this out if you are looking into getting a new digital camera.